What is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage. And it seems the Rumblebee, the very first one, the very first retail available vehicle, has been built, has been customized, has got the direct connection treatment, and will go on sale before anybody else even gets their 5.7, which is interesting. We're going to talk about all that and more right after this. Guys, today is the final day if you want to get in on combo entries on the 2027 Ram TRX and the 2500 Ram Laramie factory deleted diesel truck. Now, on terms of the TRX, it is the very first time we've ever done a brand new vehicle. This one is brand spanking new. It has just got finished getting its PPF done. And if you want to win it and also have a shot at that 2500 factory deleted diesel truck, you could get in on both by going to the website down below, tksgarage.com. No purchase is necessary. Void where prohibited. Official rules are listed up on the website. But get in while you can, because massive extra entries, combo entries, where you get in on both for what you normally get on one, end tonight. All right, so the Ram Rumblebee is coming to Barrett Jackson in Las Vegas. And it's not coming alone. No, the former top speed or fastest production truck ever, the SRT 10 Ram Viper truck, is also coming with the SRT Rumblebee. Now, this is a direct connection model that has 900 plus horsepower, a one-of-one paint job, and everything. It's going to be an SRT version, so the 6.2 liter supercharged edition. And somebody's going to be able to get their hands on it at Barrett Jackson with no extra fees, no other craziness, well before anybody even gets their 5.7. I expect the bidding on that truck to be insane. I'm going to be there. I know I have no shot to win that truck. I will happily bid that thing up, though, if I can, to maybe 120 grand. That's about it. But I know there's going to be some big players in the house, and somebody wants that damn thing. And somebody's going to get it, because it's not coming just with the SRT Rumblebee itself. It's also coming, like I said, with that Viper truck. So, am I excited about it? Yeah, I think it's going to be cool. I think it's interesting that Stellantis was able to get this one-of-one edition out. I'm wondering how fast they could ramp up production to put these out sooner. If they were able to get this done, and this is something that somebody can go take to the DMV and put a tag on it, I'm wondering how quick could they get these things out now? Could they change the timeline and get these things up for orders and deliveries before January? Maybe. That might be a possibility. I know there's a lot of backlash and a lot of stuff going on with Dodge right now because of the six-pack cars and the Super Bee and all the negative connotations that have come with that. Even though I don't hate the car, I think it's cool. I think Stellantis is of the mind of, okay, we need to get this Hellcat shit out now. So they have the option to go buy something where they can't get it from Dodge right now. And I think that's what's going on. But it is going to be interesting. If you want to see live bidding at Barrett Jackson, barring, it's going to be close in terms of time, because I was supposed to be present for Ole Miss LSU. I may skip that game now, but we'll see. It'll be interesting to see if I could make both. I would love to be able to be present for, Barrett Jackson and the sale of that truck, just to see what it goes for, and to be able to get my hands on it and see it in person before it sells. I think it might be content that you guys want to see. So I'll do my best to try to figure that out. It might involve a lot of flying and bouncing around on my end, but I think it'd be worth the content. But what do you guys think about the SRT Rumblebee going up for sale before anybody can even get one at Barrett Jackson for charity? Let me know what you guys think in the comments section down below. Give the video a big thumbs up if you like what I do. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. Like I said, not a super long video, but it is a story I figure that we should have covered. But as always, stay petty, my friends.